Before setting your digital birthday countdown timer, visit birthdaycountdown.com.au where you can work out exactly how long it is until your special day. Then once you've got that information, you are ready to go. Now on the back of your birthday countdown timer here, you'll notice that there are 3 small round buttons. One says set, one says down, and one says up or start. To begin with, we are going to press and hold down the set button for about 2 seconds until you hear it beep. That beeping indicates that we are in change mode here. You'll see the number in the first window flashing, and this window indicates days. So that's got a little D in the corner, and we're going to change the number to 37 days. So we're going to do that by either pressing the up button 37 times, or if it's a big number, I can press and hold it in, and you'll notice that the numbers begin to move very quickly. Now, if we go too far, it's not a problem. You simply press the down button to get you back to the number where you want to be. Oop, and we'll go up. Perfect. Once we've got the number that we want, we press set to lock it in. You'll then notice that the number in the hours window will start to flash. You can see the little H there to indicate the number of hours, and we're going to take ours up to 14 hours. So we're going to go up 14, and this is quite a small number, so I can just press that button 14 times. Excellent. Set to lock it in, and we're going to adjust the minutes to 3 minutes, so we'll go up 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Lock it in by pressing set. And finally, our seconds window flashing there, want to get that to 21 seconds there. So we'll go either up 21 presses or hold it in until we get to 21. Oopsie, again, gone a little bit too far there. We'll go down, pressing the down button to adjust it to 21. Still blinking, so we want to set that. Perfect. Now our countdown timer is set to the exact time that we want it to. We just need to activate it. And to do that, we are just going to press the start button. So we'll do that in 3, 2, 1, and we're off. 37 days, 14 hours, 3 minutes, and 15 seconds until blast off. How exciting. Now, if you're a few seconds out, don't be too concerned. However, there is one warning that I do want to share with you. This countdown timer is now set to midnight on the day of your birthday. And when the numbers get to 0 in each of these windows, this time is going to start beeping just like an alarm clock for a whole minute. So my advice to you, particularly if you're setting the timer for children, is to either keep the alarm somewhere well away from their bedrooms so that that alarm isn't going to wake them up at midnight, or better still, add an extra 6 or 7 hours to the countdown so that the alarm will go off at the time that you want them to wake up. So if this is set to midnight and I want it to go off at, say, 6 a.m., what I'm going to do is add an extra 6 hours to my hours feature here. Now it's quite easy to stop and start this timer. Once again, we go through the exact same instructions as before. We set and hold that button down for 2 seconds until you hear it beeping, and you'll notice that the window is flashing again. We don't want to adjust that day's timer, we want to adjust the hours. So we'll press set one more time till we get to the 14. And we're going to take it up 6 hours till we get to 20, and then I know it's going to go off at 6 a.m. Set to lock it in, set again to lock in those minutes once again, and set again to get the number where we want it to be. And to restart our timer, we simply press start. Voila.